How to find and see your video feedback on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. As you can see, we are in the home page of Twitch. Now go to the top corner, click right here on your profile, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now click here on recommendations. As you can see, after you click on recommendations, click here on video feedback. Now here you will find your Twitch personalized video recommendations. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later.